Canon 1DS Mark III and Fuji X-H1. What am I doing here? What am I doing here? Yeah, hey guys, I bought an X-H1 and I'm changing up my kit quite a bit. I'm selling all my Canon gear except for this camera that's recording right now, which is a G7X Mark II, so that's some footage from that camera. But for all the rest I'm going to use Fuji gear for video and photo, so I don't have to carry around as much lenses if I'm shooting video and photo at the same time, which I'm going to do because tomorrow I'm leaving for Tokyo. For the next 2 weeks I'm going to be gone, so that's why I wanted to update you so you don't have to wait another 2 weeks until I post something new. Of course, the Fuji guys already did a great unboxing of this camera, so I'm just going to do a very short one right now. Let's open this up, and here you have the camera. Well, yeah, so X-H1. I'm going to try and make a review of that camera in Japan. Also, as I bought a Yashica T5 and a Rollei Prego AF, which are both analog film cameras, compact ones, I'm going to try to make a video about analog photography with those two in Japan too. I am going to make a what's in my bag video in Japan too. I'm slow, you know that. A lot of new stuff is going to come pretty soon. I'm doing my best to do it as quickly as possible. In the meantime, thanks for subscribing to the channel and give me some Patreon love. There's a link down in the description. Go over to Patreon and perhaps I'll be able to upload more often. We'll see. So yeah, that's all guys. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.